Here is my pressure and vacuum setup. I have a tub full of water and a tray placed upside down to feed the tube from my pump to the vase. This creates a vacuum or pressure chamber, and I seal off the chamber by using different water levels. And down here I have my control experiment, which is a lettuce leaf just placed into a regular small bottle container full of colored liquid. The following are images taken of leaves at different times during trials of my experiment. Overall, my hypothesis that air pressure affects transpiration rates was incorrect. The graph from my experiment reveals that dye is transferred throughout the leaf structure at the same rate as the control leaf, except for vacuum subjects. There were differences in the rate of dye absorption before the end result, but the only major difference was that vacuum subjects never absorbed enough dye to change the color of their leaf structure. I believe that the variable that was affecting my vacuum subjects was the difference in humidity. Although I used the same dry air source for all three of my chamber trials, vacuum, pressure, and no pressure, I now believe that the vacuum was creating more water vapor than the pressure and no pressure subjects. In fact, the vacuum subjects drew less dye than the control subjects and the wilt stop subjects, which were in the same dry air but not in the chamber, which was sealed by water. The last major finding was that wilt stop was no better than the control leaf in the dry air.